In this video, I'm talking about sum if function in Google Sheet. So we already know the sum function, which is used to take the sum of specified range. With sum if, what you can do is that we can take the sum of only those cells in the range which meet certain criteria. So if you look at the definition of this function, the first parameter is basically a criteria range. So in this case, what I want to do is that I want to get the revenue for this particular date. So first parameter is the range, criteria range. So I have given this months, that is this C27 to F27. The second parameter is the criteria. Okay. So out of these dates, I'm interested only this particular date, 121 2021. So what happens is that that particular cells will be considered when taking the sum. And the third parameter is the actual range for which the sum has to be taken. Okay. So the first parameter is also range, third parameter is also range. The difference is that the first parameter or the first range is called as a criteria range, as you can see over here. This is the range criteria. And the last parameter is the sum range, the range from which sum has to be taken. So normally without these criteria, what will happen is that it will take the sum of all these values, 40,000, 55,555, so on and so forth. But since we have given the sum if, what happens is that out of these values, only those values will be considered where this condition is being met. And that's why here the answer is coming as 40,000 because it is only considering this particular column C or this range. Thanks for watching.